Lights, camera, acción. Okay. Lots of moving parts to record a video, but I got this. We got this. Let's get into the video. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy. For those who don't know me and those who are returning, thank you so much for your support. I want to ask you that if you find this video in any way fun or entertaining, give me a thumbs up, click the notification bell, and don't leave today without subscribing to my channel. Thank you. So in this video, I am so excited today. I just did a purchase. I did a thing. I bought a thing. Yep. I sure did. And yep. Oh my god. Hello? Hi.
I'm done with practice.
Can you believe I totally forgot about you?
So where are you?
I'm home. But your brother is in the gym.
With Justin?
Yes.
Okay.
And Xander.
Wait, and he's Sporta?
Yes, and he's Sporta.
Do you pass by your Sporta when you go home?
No, I do not.
Are you going home? No, not you, Mom.
Oh.
Are you going home? He's gonna drop me off at the gym.
Okay. So as you can see, those are the things about, you know, having teenagers. Anyway, so back to the video. Yes. So as you can see in the thumbnail of this video, I bought the Allie Glines full pink bag collection makeup organization thingy. For a long time I've been wanting this collection and I had the opportunity right now to get them, so I'm so excited. I've always used pouches for makeup, like if you see my previous videos, you can see that I had this tri-fold type of makeup bag that I would travel with. So I'm so excited with this one that she came out with, and I was able to get it in pink. But with that being said, I'm looking here on the iPad to see details and whatnot. The pink full bag collection comes with 4 pieces, and this one is not the small one, this one is the big one. I'll insert some slides here as I'm looking. This one comes, let's see the what's included. This includes 1 full bag, 1 everyday medium bag, 2 everyday small bags, and 1 storage dust bag. And I'll put all details of prices and colors. They come in gray with the rose gold zippers. They come in lilac with the gold rose gold zipper as well, and in the pink with the rose gold zipper, which was the one that I purchased. And I am in a notification email that they will notify me once the pink everyday tools bag, which I'll also put a picture right in there, right in here on the side. And as you can see, that one is to put brushes, and you can use it for different type of things so that I can have the full collection. But I wasn't able to get that one at the moment. So without further ado, here is my box, and I promise you that I did open this side only, but I have not opened this side. I have not unboxed this, so we're gonna do a true unboxing here in the video. Besides this box, it was in another cardboard box just like this one, with its label here, Allie Glines full bag collection in the pink color. Okay, so this is a true unboxing. I'm so excited. Oh! And look how beautiful the dust bag is. So beautiful, so shiny, silky looking, so cute. You guys, look at how beautiful this is. I love pink. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I am obsessed with dusty pink color, and this is exactly the color that I'm trying to describe here. This is my favorite color in the whole wide world. Allie, it has her name on the dust bag, is a drawstring type of bag, which is amazing. May I say that this dust bag, if you don't want to put your bags in this dust bag, I think this dust bag can be used for other things. Like, I'm going on a cruise very soon, which I'm excited about. So maybe I'll be taking this makeup bags and using them for my makeup, and also yeah. Yes, Elijah.
Can you order my smoothie, please?
Smoothie. I am recording, literally. Say hi to my viewers.
Hi, viewers. Just
Yes, sir. Thank you. Say bye.
bye, viewers. Bye.
So, yeah. So this is the dust bag, and I think I can use this for the cruise to put in maybe my shoes, my slippers, or even put in my pajamas in here and use it as a packing cube type of thing for my luggage. But yeah, that would be another video. If you want to see a video of me packing for the cruise, give me a thumbs up so I can know that, and I'll make that video for you. But yeah, this one I will be using for sure. A very good reusable bag. But here is how they came packaged. They came in a plastic bag, which we will remove. Look at how nice the packaging, that they even put a piece of styrofoam in between the little handle. That is, you know, very thoughtful, very detailed. You can tell this was very planned out, very nice collection that she made here. She has her name, and very minimalistic, the branding on this collection, which I love also, because it's a makeup bag and you don't want to have all this branding all over it. But here, let me give you 360. So beautiful. 2 zippers in rose gold, and it also has the branding there, but very minimalistic, which I love. Very fluid zippers on it, and when you open it, oh wow, they also put some protection on it. So pretty, so feminine. Can I say that this is an awesome gift for Mother's Day, maybe? An awesome gift for a bride. Okay, if you're going to a wedding this summer or a bridal shower, this is such a great idea to gift to the bride. That way she could take it on her honeymoon. She could take it, you know, to her wedding day and take all her favorite toiletries and her makeup. But let me tell you, this is amazing. But yeah, so the details here, it's got a zipper on the top, and it's got the clear, so you can put all your stuff, masks. It's not a very stretchy pocket here, but it does have the clear, so you could put maybe your makeup wipes or masks. Okay? And then of course it has all 3 beautiful makeup cubes, right? So I'll be putting the measurements right here on the side. This one is very big, and I think in this one I can put all my foundations, my my compacts and stuff like that, and all my you know, larger items that I can carry. And then these 2 that are exactly the same. These are so cute, so cute. Here I can put in, I can use one just for lipsticks and lip gloss. If you know me, you know me. I love lipsticks and lip glosses. So in fact, I have one around here somewhere that I was holding onto it for video purposes. So yeah, look, this fits perfect in there, perfect. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, maybe I can use one for lipstick specifically and lip glosses. And of course, if you know me, you know me. Can you guess what I will use this one for? For my lashes. Everything that has to do with the lashes. So I think this one will be perfect for that. Okay, I can fit all my glue, my different lashes and whatnot. Yep, I love it. And then you can also opt out not to use the cubes if you don't want to. I think they are adorable not to use them. And you can use this obviously and just put your makeup without, you know, separating it. And you can use it as one, you know, packing cube or just one compartment. I love that the cubes allow you to separate and put your makeup and all your items in different compartments. And so not only does it make it beautiful to look at, but also it makes you very organized and makes all your makeup as you pack it to go somewhere very neat. Also, you have a lot of space in between or in the back of this or at the front of this, so you can put, I'm sure you could fit a medium size to small palette in the back. You can also put in there makeup wipes and whatnot. And what I like also about the one that I was telling you about, that I put it right here, which is the one for the brushes, the everyday tools bag that I'll put it right here. As you see, I saw a video of an unboxing of this and it fits perfectly up here. So it is the size of this one. The only thing is much thinner. It's not as thick as this one. So when I saw the person put it on top of this one and it fit perfect. So I think if you need two, which you probably don't, but if you want to buy two, you could put one on top of the, you know, one on each side and have even more space to maybe use one for your brushes. Ooh, this is giving me an idea. One for your brushes and one for your pencils, your mascaras, your eyebrow pencils and whatnot. I think I'm gonna go for a second one as well, because even if I don't put it on top, I can put it probably back here. I'm telling you, girl, I want the whole collection. I love this and I am so grateful to God that I was able to get it. And I don't know why I waited so long, but yeah, I love it, love it, love it. So beautiful, so feminine, so organized. Everything fits one inside the other. So I love that. And like I said a few minutes ago, this is such a great gift idea now that Mother's Day is around the corner, literally. I'm hoping to upload this video before Mother's Day. I think this is such a great gift for mom or for daughter, or even a young teenage granddaughter if you have one. And also this fits in very comfortably in your luggage, in your carry-on, or you can even carry it separately. You can probably slip the handle. I'm gonna try that out, and if it does work, I'll insert a picture here. But I think putting the handle of your luggage, if you have a rolly one, I think this would fit perfectly on top. Thought that this would fit right here, but it obviously does not. But here it is. I'm gonna show you right here on the side a little, like, it's like a belt type of thing that you could put here, and I can put my new bag organizer right here on it. I can still roll it around as I travel. I think it's so cute and it matched perfect. So let's go on the cruise. Let's go. I can't wait. I will be filming for you what did I pack for my cruise. That's coming soon, so stay tuned. So I wanted to show you the box or the bag collection up close. This is the dust bag. It is a blush color and it has her writing, and like I showed, it has a drawstring. Yeah, this is the collection up close. So beautiful. As you can see, I hope I'm in frame. So beautiful. Not sure how many times I said it's so beautiful. The handle. This is the unboxing and the first impressions of my Allie Glines collection bag. I ask you that if you found this video fun or entertaining, give me a thumbs up, click the notification bell, and don't leave today without subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and until my next video, which will probably be another unboxing of some sort. Thank you and have a blessed day. Ciao. The Allie Glines. Hello?
Hi, Mom. I'm on my way home. I gotta drop Justin off. I'm gonna go grab something. I'm gonna go grab some food.
No. Call your brother. Call your brother. He just got out of practice and he was heading your way. Call him right this minute.
Okay, I'm gonna call him.
Okay, I love you. Bye. Call him.
Bye.